Amanda.
Hi, I'm Hillary.
And I'm Jenna, and we are UC Berkeley students with Professor Kate O'Neill's Zero Waste Lab, and we are partnering with the BRINGiT organization to test the compostability of their bags.
We're setting an example of how these bags can be sustainably composted for BRINGiT consumers. We're measuring the degradation rate over time through 3 processes. One is hot composting, the second is vermicomposting, and the last one is bokashi.
Hot composting is ideal for a large-scale setting. It can only be done outdoors and is suitable for not all but some backyards. For the case of this experiment, we are using a community pile located at a garden space on campus. This accumulated compost can get very large and maintains high temperatures. Therefore, it can effectively break down materials in a timely manner. Leftover food waste and vegetable debris is all that's needed to fuel this composting process. Vermicomposting is best fit for an individual at-home situation. This compost is stored in a bin, kept either indoors or outdoors, depending on one's living situation. This method utilizes worms to assist the decomposition process, so adding regular food waste is important in keeping the worms healthy and happy. A vermicompost bin can be made with recycled materials and worms from your backyard, or these resources can be purchased. The bokashi method is a pre-composting step that loosely translates to fermented organic matter. So here, your food waste is being pickled instead of completely broken down. This method appeals to those living in an apartment with no outside space because there is no associated smell, and your bin can be relatively small. There's one required purchase to complete this process. Bokashi bran is needed to layer with your food waste in order to initiate the fermentation. This entire bin can then be dumped directly into your garden to then decompose at a rapid rate.
Here are some examples of our progress in decomposing the BRINGiT bags. We started off by receiving the whole bag itself. We then cut them up into strips, and after 3 weeks in our compost, we were left with smaller, scattered pieces. We plan on continuing this process until the bags have completely broken down and we can no longer find them in our compost.